I put the reed cage back together, but I put it together a little bit sloppily just to show you some things. If you look right at the plastic where it's up against the reed cage, these portals or plastic reeds have got to be on perfectly. Not sideways, not crooked. See, this one you can see where, if you look at the stops or the springs, these reeds are a little bit lower than, say, this one. And the reeds have a little bit of wiggle room in them, so you can kind of go like this, each side to get it to fit right. But when you go to put the reed valve together, you always want to stop and make sure that your reeds are in perfect shape, that they're covering everything, that there are no holes or anything like that down in here. It's got to be a perfect sealing valve. If your reeds are going to give out on you at all, what they will do, they will fray at the edges right here, right here, right here, and right here. Why they fray, I don't know. But they will fray and they'll round the corner off, and then what happens is you'll have a small leak where it doesn't seal. And when that happens, then the bike runs, but it doesn't run as good as it could. So that's something to check on. And your reeds do wear out, so you can get new ones and put on. Or these are metal. Why they're metal, I don't know. Metal reeds, what they first started with, before they went to phenololic reeds like this. And metal reeds work great until their metal fatigue right along here, right along that line, broke them off, and then you sucked into your engine, and then your engine went to engine heaven. So they weren't working that good. Alright, well, I'm going to go in and check on my Borderlands 3 and see if it's still there, and we'll continue when I get a little bit more or less tired. Okay, I hope you like the series on the Taida big valve 33 to 36 millimeter carb.